Manifestation magic, harnessing the law of attraction. Manifestation magic is a term used to describe the process of using the law of attraction to bring positive changes into your life. This practice involves visualizing the desired outcome and using affirmations to create a positive mindset. The law of attraction is a universal law that states that whatever we focus on in life will be attracted to us. The law works by allowing us to manifest our thoughts into reality. By visualizing our goals and using positive affirmations, we can attract the things we desire. Manifestation magic is a process that involves setting goals and taking action to achieve them. It involves focusing on the desired outcome and taking steps to make it happen. It is important to stay positive and have faith that the desired outcome will be achieved. It is important to be mindful of the thoughts and feelings that you are manifesting. Negative thoughts and feelings can prevent you from manifesting your desired outcome. It is important to stay positive and focus on the desired outcome. Manifestation magic also involves taking action. It is important to take small steps towards your desired outcome every day. This can help to build momentum and make it easier to manifest your desired outcome. Manifestation magic is a powerful tool that can be used to create positive changes in your life. It is important to stay focused on the desired outcome and take action to make it happen. With the right mindset and commitment, you can manifest your dreams. Manifestation magic is a powerful tool that can be used to create positive changes in your life. It is important to stay focused on the desired outcome and take action to make it happen. With the right mindset and commitment, you can manifest your dreams.